Hello friends, thank you so much for your response. Your likes and subscriptions motivate us to add more videos. Let us understand the thoughtful motivation quote today. Don't dream about success. Get out there and work for it. In today's quote, this definition of the word dream seems to be about a perfect fit. Perhaps using the phrase daydream in the quote would be a bit more precise and a bit less ambiguous. I never daydreamed about success. I worked for it. That has a more solid ring to it, doesn't it? Success doesn't just stop by and visit from time to time. It will not seek you out. The best you can hope to do is to stumble into it from time to time. If you truly want success, you will need to work at it and work towards achieving what you define as success. Taking action is what is required. Without action, nothing substantial will get accomplished. If all you do is think about it, talk about it, or daydream about it, nothing is going to happen. Success will not happen. It's that simple and that straightforward. Success is a process, not a destination, so plan to revise your list from time to time. And be sure to celebrate your successes each and every day, especially the small ones.